Hello, and welcome to our farmhouse master bedroom makeover tutorial. Today, we're going to transform a plain bedroom into a cozy and stylish farmhouse retreat. We'll be using a variety of components like barnwood accent walls, exposed beams, and more to achieve that perfect farmhouse charm. So, let's get started. Scene 1, Planning. Before we begin, it's crucial to plan out your design. Make sure to measure your room and create a layout that optimizes your space. Now, let's dive into the transformation. Scene 2, Preparing the canvas. Our first step is to prepare the canvas. Start by installing shiplap wall paneling to give your room that classic farmhouse feel. It's an excellent backdrop for our rustic elements. Scene 3, Creating rustic focal points. Now, let's create some rustic focal points. We'll install a barnwood accent wall to add character and warmth to the room. Paired with exposed beams on the ceiling, it'll truly bring out the farmhouse style. Scene 4, Functional and stylish doors. To enhance the rustic charm further, let's add a sliding barn door. It not only looks great but also saves space. You can use it for the bedroom entrance or closet door. Scene 5, Elevating the ceiling. To create an airy feel, consider a vaulted ceiling with wood accents. This will open up the space and add a touch of grandeur. Scene 6, Flooring and fireplace. Next, let's work on the foundation. Install beautiful hardwood flooring for that classic farmhouse look. And don't forget to add a cozy fireplace with a wood mantel. It'll be a focal point and provide warmth and comfort. Scene 7, Lighting and air circulation. Now, let's talk lighting and air circulation. Hang a chandelier or pendant lights for that vintage farmhouse charm. And a rustic-style ceiling fan with wooden blades will keep the room comfortable year-round. Scene 8, The perfect bed. For the centerpiece, choose a wrought iron bed frame. It's sturdy and adds an elegant touch to the room. Complete the look with linen bedding for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Scene 9, Stylish storage. Farmhouse nightstands and an antique dresser offer both style and storage. Consider a rustic wardrobe for additional space. Scene 10, Cozy nook. Create a cozy reading nook with an upholstered accent chair and a plush area rug. It's the perfect spot to relax and unwind. Scene 11, Decorative touches. To personalize your space, add framed wall art that complements the farmhouse theme. Farmhouse curtains and open shelving will also contribute to the overall style. Scene 12, Final touches. Lastly, don't forget a bench or storage chest at the foot of the bed for a finishing touch. It adds both functionality and style. Conclusion. And there you have it. With these components and a little creativity, you can transform your master bedroom into a beautiful farmhouse retreat. We hope you've enjoyed this makeover tutorial. Happy decorating!